After watching this video, you will see how simple it is to enrich your soil with 5 easy and widely available amendments. These additions will transform your soil, helping you grow plants that are healthier and more productive. Although these amendments can be applied at any stage of growth, starting early in the season brings the best results. Let's begin. On number 1, bone meal is an excellent source of phosphorus and calcium, which are vital for strong root development and flowering. Phosphorus promotes deeper roots, enabling plants to absorb nutrients better. Calcium is crucial for cell wall structure, making plants sturdier. Bone meal benefits root vegetables like carrots, onions, and garlic, as well as flowering plants such as tomatoes and peppers. To use it, sprinkle some into the soil around plants or mix it in before planting. For abundant blooms and healthier roots, bone meal is highly effective. On number 2, Neem Cake Powder, made from neem seed residue after oil extraction, is a natural pest deterrent and a slow-release fertilizer. It contains nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, key nutrients for growth. Beyond feeding plants, neem cake protects them by repelling harmful insects and preventing soil-borne diseases. It improves soil health by encouraging beneficial microorganisms and suits almost any crop. Apply it to planting beds or use it as a side dressing for lush, pest-free crops during the season. On number 3, wood ash from a bonfire or fireplace is a fantastic source of potassium and trace minerals like magnesium and calcium. Potassium enhances plants' ability to resist disease and produce fruit. Since wood ash is alkaline, it works best for crops that prefer less acidic soil, like spinach, lettuce, and brassicas, such as cabbage and broccoli. It also balances acidic soil pH, but should be used sparingly to avoid raising pH too much. On number 4, limestone is a natural amendment that neutralizes acidic soils, ideal for plants that prefer an alkaline environment. Rich in calcium and magnesium, it enhances soil structure and plant health. Crops like broccoli, spinach, kale, and beans thrive in soils amended with limestone. It also unlocks soil nutrients, ensuring plants access all they need for vigorous growth. Adding limestone at the start of the season keeps soil pH stable year-round. On number 5, finally, a mix of charcoal, non-chlorinated water, and compost creates biochar. This powerful amendment improves soil structure, moisture retention, and microorganism habitat. Mixed with compost, it becomes nutrient-rich, feeding crops over time. It's perfect for plants like tomatoes, peppers, and fruit trees, which benefit from better aeration and water retention. To prepare, soak charcoal in non-chlorinated water to remove impurities, then combine with compost before applying. This will supercharge your soil for a bountiful harvest. These 5 amendments, bone meal, neem cake powder, wood ash, limestone, and biochar, are simple to use and easy to find. They enrich your soil and make your garden more productive and resilient. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on growing your best garden ever.